Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is HP Hewlett Packard is hiring for the job role that is firmware engineer. So we shall quickly see what is the eligibility criteria and the description for that job role. So the first thing is the eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria is for BE or BTech, that is bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or any other equivalent branch. It can be electronics or electrical, any branch can apply. And then the years of experience, they are hiring for the freshers as well as experience, so which is 0 to 2 years of experience is needed for this job role. Then we shall see what are the skills that is needed. So the first skills is that you need to have hands-on experience in any one of programming language. It can be C, C++, Java, or even Python is allowed. And next thing is that you need to have experience or understanding of firmware design tools and also languages. So these are the only two skills that is needed. First thing is you need to have a hands-on experience or any one knowledge of programming language. It can be C, C++, Java. And next thing is you need to have some understanding of firmware design tools and also languages. And next thing is the good analytical and problem solving skills, understanding of firmware and hardware design principles, and also understanding of coding, debugging procedures and basic testing. And next thing is that you need to have an excellent communication skills. So these are only the mandatory skills that is needed for this job role, and anyone can apply for this role, that is graduates, BE, BTech or any masters in any other equivalent branch. Anyone can apply for this role. And next thing is that so you can quickly go and apply for this. The application link will be provided in the description box. And for application you need to first create an account, and once you create an account your application starts. So where you need to fill your basic details, you can either fill it with your resume or you can directly apply it with your LinkedIn profile. So you can auto fill with the resume where you can enter all your basic details, and you need to upload the resume. And once that is done you need to accept some agreement. So there will be like agreement questions and basic questions related to their company. So based on your interest, everything, educational details you need to enter. Then you need to review your application and submit. So once you apply you will get a mail like successfully applied for this, and they are going to review your application, and based on your criteria they are going to mail you for further information. So this is all about the company. So that is HP, and it is really a good company, and also they are hiring for firmware engineer, and that too freshers as well as experienced graduates. So quickly go and apply for this job role and take some time to apply it. So read each and every conditions and apply for this. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.